Hey, it's me, guys.
And me, guys.
And me, guys.
Welcome to our very first Model Cars and Coffee.
Yeah. But really, model cars and cocoa.
Yeah.
We're all drinking hot chocolate.
Yes.
Well, we've been watching everyone's Model Cars and Coffee videos and really enjoying the builds and the stories that go along with it, and decided that it was about time that we made our own Model Cars and Cocoa video. In honor of this being our first, we're going to present our first builds.
Here you go.
Bless you. Okay. Well, this is the first kit that I built when I got back into the hobby, I'd say about 14 years ago. Always been a GM guy, so growing up watching NASCAR races in the late 80s, early 90s, the Monte Carlo SS were the car to have. I'd want to do something a little different than the standard like black. So I found a picture of one that was a similar red that I really liked. So I decided to go that route. This is the first kit that I did with automotive lacquers. Just found the Duplicolor touch-up sprays at the auto store. There's a couple steps, wet sanding in between color coats and clear. There were definitely some issues with this one. As you can see, there's a few nicks in the corners. Definitely along this line here. The house that I used to live in had an issue with bats getting in. And when I was finishing up polishing the clear coat one night, a bat got into the basement. I just swooped down from the corner of the ceiling, and I literally fell over backwards, dropped the body, and I got those scratches, and I just didn't want to go all the way back to start over with the paint, so I just touched up as best I could, and that was the result. Just a really fun kit. Some pretty good underhood detail. Just kind of built it as a factory stock, and then always have fun with the custom license plate, obviously referencing Dale Earnhardt. But yeah, it was a fun kit to get back into the hobby, and yeah, just really like the style of these old Monte Carlos. The one custom thing that I did add to this build, the exhaust pipes that were supplied with the kit were a little lacking, so I actually took just some from the parts box, just lopped off the box pieces and just put on these little, I think they were from a Lamborghini, but yeah, there you go. That was my build.
We can go next.
Oh, okay. This is my first car. It's a Dodge Challenger.
Is it a dog?
Pink. I hope it looks pink on camera, but it's the most bright pink I could find in the store was this one, so I bought it. And then I spray painted. This is the first thing I've ever spray painted in my entire life, so that was cool. And then my favorite part about it is my license plate. It says Pinky because that's what I named my car. And maybe someday I'll have a bright pink Dodge Challenger of my own to drive around, but until then I have this one.
Dog town also.
A Dodge.
Yes, so the part what I really liked about this is it was rainbow, because I used to like rainbows when I was a kid. And then my favorite part was the flames, because I really like stickers, and the stickers are totally flames. And I really like polka dots. And also I really like rainbows, so polka dots, rainbows. Same thing. Kind of. Not really. But and then I really like stickers. And my favorite part about this whole car is I got 2 license plates. 2 license plates. 2 license plates. 2 license plates? That's right. 2 license plates. And that would be all. I really love this car, but the other car, my last thing I ever built, I say that would be my favorite. We'll show that in another video. Not this video, definitely not this video. So that was all builds.
All right. Thank you for watching.
Calls and coffee and calls and cocoa. You drink coffee, you can call it calls and coffee. And you drink cocoa, you can call it calls and cocoa. And cocoa is hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Thanks again for
Thank
watching.
you.
Bye.
And happy building.
Happy building, guys.
Happy day.